Welcome to our guide on maintaining good health in your daily life. Today, we'll cover essential tips to help you stay healthy and balanced. By integrating these tips into your daily routine, you can make a meaningful impact on your overall well-being. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier you together. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive into these top tips for staying healthy daily.
A balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Start by incorporating a variety of foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal. Staying hydrated is equally important. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Try to limit processed foods, which are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Practice portion control to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and be mindful of portion sizes. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help maintain your energy levels and prevent hunger pangs. Remember, moderation is key to enjoying a balanced diet.
Regular exercise is vital for maintaining good health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Incorporate strength training exercises at least twice a week. Building muscle mass not only strengthens your body, but also enhances your metabolism. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise a regular part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, staying active should be fun and engaging.
Adequate sleep is crucial for overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recover. Establishing a regular sleep schedule can help regulate your internal clock. Create a restful sleep environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Limit exposure to screens before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can interfere with your sleep cycle. Establish a calming bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Quality sleep contributes to better mental and physical health, so prioritize it as part of your daily routine.
Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Managing stress is key to maintaining a balanced life. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine. Staying connected with friends and family is vital for emotional support. Engage in hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing an instrument, doing things you love can boost your mental health. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're feeling overwhelmed.
Preventive healthcare is essential for early detection and management of potential health issues. Schedule routine checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your overall health. Regular screenings can catch conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes early on. Stay informed about necessary vaccinations and preventive measures. Vaccines protect you from various diseases and contribute to public health. Monitor your health metrics like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels. Don't hesitate to discuss any concerns or symptoms with your healthcare provider.
Adopting healthy habits can significantly impact your well-being. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands regularly and maintaining oral health. Brush and floss your teeth daily to prevent dental problems. Listen to your body and pay attention to any changes or symptoms. If something doesn't feel right, consult a healthcare professional. Early intervention can prevent minor issues from becoming major health concerns. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can enhance your physical and mental health, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, so start with 1 or 2 tips and gradually build from there. Consistency is key to achieving long-term health benefits. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.